In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find gross revenue in QuickBooks. If you need to quickly check your gross revenue for a specific time period, QuickBooks makes it very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can confidently identify the correct number. To begin, go to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the financial reports you can use to review your business performance. Since gross revenue is tied to the money your business brought in over a period of time, the report we want is the Profit and Loss report. Once you're in Reports, open Profit and Loss. This report gives you a summary of your income and expenses, making it one of the most useful reports for getting a quick financial snapshot. It helps you see not only what came in, but also what went out during the period you choose. At the top of the Profit and Loss report, select the reporting period you want to review. This is important because your gross revenue will change depending on the date range you choose. For example, you might want to look at this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom date range. Make sure the period matches the time frame you actually want to analyze before moving on. After setting the date range, review the income section of the report. This section shows the revenue-related accounts that recorded money coming into the business. Depending on how your QuickBooks account is set up, you may see one income account or several separate categories. That's normal, and QuickBooks will total them together for you. Now, locate the line labeled Total for Income. This is the key number you're looking for. It represents the total income recorded for the selected reporting period. In QuickBooks, this total is what you'll use as your gross revenue for that time frame. Once you find Total for Income, use that amount as your gross revenue for the selected period. Just remember that this number is based on the report dates you selected. So if you change the period, the amount may also change. And that's it. That's how to find gross revenue in QuickBooks quickly and accurately using the Profit and Loss report. Thanks for watching.